as we are seeing here that when we open main air bottle valve 1, now air goes to the pilot valve. From here it goes to the top of the automatic air start valve. Now here spring force and the 30 bar air bottle pressure is acting over here, and turning gear, when it is disengaged, means when it is in this position, this gets opened, this hole gets open, the 30 bar air pressure comes from here and it acts on beneath the piston, at the bottom of the piston here. Now as this pressure is lesser than this pressure, because 30 bar pressure plus spring force pressure is acting over here, and here only 30 bar pressure is acting over here. So this remains closed, hole is closed, so no air is going from here. Now what happens when we are moving this lever from 0 position to air start position? The link, what it does, it moves the piston of the pilot valve from here to this position, and this gets vented, means the air from the on top, which was acting on top of this 30 bar air pressure, now it will get vented from here. So now only spring force is acting over here and the 30 bar pressure is acting over here, so it will get lifted up. When this gets lifted up, this spool, this hole will get open and this hole will get closed. Now when this hole will get closed, the 30 bar air pressure will go to the starting air valve. So now starting air valve, from here it goes on top of the distributor. Now when it goes on top of the distributor, what actually it does is that it pushes it down, it acts over here, and against the spring force it pushes it down, and being a negative cam, this will touch the roller of the distributor, will touch the cam. So here this is the number 4 units distributor. So when the air acts over here, this presses it down onto the cam, and the air, 30 bar air, it will go from here on top of the starting air valve. Now starting air valve, when it goes on top of that, it will get open. When it will get open, the 30 bar will go inside the cylinder, number 4 cylinder. So here the one which is going to touch the negative cam will be in the firing order. In the next video we will study how the distributor works.